Way to do a job, Joe.
Here you go, Lucas.
Hey, Jake, working behind that throw, Jake. Jake, work behind that throw, man.
Come on, kid. Come on.
Let's go, Lucas.
Let's go in now. Let's go, kid.
I won't complain.
Up. 10, let's go. Nice play. Let's go. Hitters right here. Hitters right here. Come on up one more time.
Come on, man. Come on, right here.
Let's go, 9. Come on, 9. Come on, guys. Fast-paced game, baby. Let's keep it going. Let's go.
Hey, man, let's two ball yet. Come on, man. It is. It is.
Two.
Nice play, baby. Nice play. I see you working.
Come on, big pitch. Come on, let's go.
Give me some light right here, yeah. Go, man. Hey, right here, 1-9. Go, baby. It is. No hurt, baby. No hurt.
Come on, babe.
Let's go, baby. Let's get it right here. Let's say ground ball. Ground ball, that takes, babe. There it is. Come on, yeah. Take it right here, kiddo, yeah.
Oh, now come on now, keep it
Hey,
up.
finish off, ground balls, that takes, everybody say, oh, yeah. Take it, kiddo, yeah.
There you go, 9.
Yeah.
Bring Josh in. Lucas back to center. Aaron go first.
Come on. Don't give a ground ball right here. Let's say 2 ball.
Let's go, 1-0.
Come on, baby. One. Come on, babe. I got 10. Come on, babe. Let's get it right here. Wait, say, let's go. Oh, yeah, there it is.
Awesome.
There it is. Yeah. Spot, baby. Nice spot.
That ain't bad there, 10. That ain't bad.
Come on, babe.
Double steal. Watch. Change your looks. Know what you're doing, 10. Hold the baseball. Use your tools.
Yes, sir. Nice spot.
Good. Nice pitch. That a boy.
Good boy. Come on, babe.
Eat it.
There we go.
You need to let the hit him. Are you serious?
Come on, Jake.
You didn't go.
Go 1-7. Stay alive.
Oh my goodness. Don't throw my curveball. Don't throw my curveball. That's how you gotta protect, kid.
I didn't know this was soft.